Hi, this is Teacher Giovanni and welcome to Mind's online tutorial. In this video, we have another geometric problem to solve. We have to find angle x here. But the problem is we only have one given angle and that measures 100 degrees. How are we going to solve for the value of x or angle x? Before we're gonna solve for the angles here, we have to consider this small triangle below. If you're going to look at here, this triangle is an equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? A triangle having all sides equal. So if this is 10 meters here, this is also 10 meters and this is also 10 meters. And remember that an equilateral triangle is also called an equiangular triangle. When we say equiangular triangle, each of the angle of the triangles is equal to 60 degrees. This is equal to 60. This is 60. This is 60. Again, equilateral triangle is related to equiangular triangle. So if this is 60 degrees, we can find the measurement of this angle. We can use the relationships of the angles. These angles are what we call vertical angles. So if this is 60 degrees, this is also equal to 60 degrees because vertical angles are equal in measurements. Alright, so now we can easily find the angle of this part here. Why? Because if you're going to look at this big triangle, that is a right triangle. What do you mean by right triangle? A right triangle is a kind of triangle in which one of the angle measures 90 degrees. Definitely this angle here is equal to 90 degrees or the right angle. So we have here 90 degrees. Now remember that the sum of all the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So to solve for the value of this angle here, we're gonna use the sum of the angles theorem in a triangle. Remember that the sum of all the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So first we're gonna add the two given angles here. We have this 90 degrees plus 60 degrees, and that is equal to 150 degrees. To find the measurement of this angle, we have to subtract 180 degrees minus 150 degrees, and that is equal to 30 degrees. So that means this is 30 degrees. So if you're gonna add the three angles here, that is equal to 180. Now since we already have the value of this angle here, we can easily find the value of x. So we have here 100 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. Remember, this is a straight line. This is a straight angle. And the straight angle has a measurement of 180 degrees. So we have to subtract 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. And that is equal to 50 degrees. So that means the value of x here is equal to 50 degrees. Alright, so that's all for today, and I hope you learned something on how to find the value of x in some geometric problem like this. Once again, this is Teacher Giovanni saying that math is minds. Math is not a difficult subject if you're willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!